Welcome back to our complete TikTok advertising tutorial, and in this particular video I'll be showing you how to pay for your TikTok ads in Nigeria. And also to point out, this particular video is part of a complete TikTok advertising tutorial, from everything you need to know about creating of TikTok ads to switching your profile from personal account to business account so that you can be able to create TikTok ads. Every single video that you need to watch to know about creating TikTok ads is available under this particular playlist, and I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to access all these videos available under this playlist. So yeah, to pay for TikTok ads in Nigeria, there are actually several ways you can go about it. And in this video, I'll be explaining all the ways, and also I'll be explaining the pros and the cons of these different channels that you can actually use to pay for TikTok ads. So the first one is going through buying of coins. So there is what is called TikTok coins that TikTok created for people to actually use to pay for stuffs on TikTok, including paying for ads as well. So to actually go there, you just click on this hamburger sign, then go to settings and privacy, then go to balance. So once it opens up, you get to see your coins card. And as you can see here, I've actually bought a coin before now, and I've actually used a coin to create a campaign. So to get new coins, I just click on get coins. As I click on get coins, there are several denominations I can select to actually buy my coins. So starting from the lowest, which is 20 coins, to the highest, which is 16,500 coins, and they have different values in terms of currency. So for 20 coins is about it costs about 417 naira. For 16,000 coins, it costs about 384,900. So yeah, first thing you need to know about buying coins is that it's actually cheaper when you buy from desktop. That's number one. Number two is that if you want to select the custom, like a number of coins, instead of having to go with their own recommended denomination, you actually have to do that via the desktop version. Yeah, so it's actually cheaper on desktop. So but for mobile, is not available for mobile. So the second thing you need to know about the usage of coin is that, for example, if you create a campaign and it's going to cost you 1,000 naira to actually run that particular campaign, what you will need is 1,000 coin. Have that in mind. If you have the cost, if you compare the cost and it's okay for you, you can actually go ahead and buy coins to use for your campaign. Yeah. The second way to actually pay for TikTok ads is paying via your Apple Pay or your Google Pay. So Apple Pay is basically you connecting your card to your Apple account, and then when you're creating your ads on TikTok and it's time for you to pay, when you click on pay, for example, it gets to charge the card connected to your Apple Pay. The same goes for Android. If your card is connected to Google Pay, you can actually pay via Google Pay. So the advantage to this is that it's going to charge you the current, the exact amount that is needed for that particular campaign to actually start running. So that's the advantage. The downside to it is that Apple, if you're using iOS, is going to charge you their service fee. So I've checked it. If you compare it to buying of coins, it's actually a lot cheaper than buying of coins, because if you are looking at creating a campaign that is costing you about 50,000 naira, and to get 50,000 coins, you know how much it's actually going to cost. So let's see, for example, only 16,000 coins is already costing over 384,000. So it's actually on the high side if you're using coin. So I actually prefer using Apple Pay or Google Pay if I'm on Android. Yeah. So these are the two ways you can actually pay for TikTok ads currently in Nigeria, and I hope that they actually make it much better and create other options that people can actually connect their cards and pay directly without having to go through Apple Pay or go through Google Pay or even buy coins at all. So I believe this particular video has been helpful to you. It has clarified the different ways you can actually pay for TikTok ads, the pros and the cons. And if you're new to this channel, please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. And if you're a returning viewer and you've not subscribed yet, I believe this is the time you need to subscribe to this particular channel. Also, if you want us to handle your advertising for you, I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me so that we can discuss your advertising needs. So we handle other forms of advertising other than TikTok, both Meta and Google and LinkedIn as well. Yeah, use that particular link to schedule a call with me. And also, I'll be leaving a card on the screen for you to watch a video I did on how to create your TikTok ads. So everything you need to know from setting up, step-by-step process on setting it up. Yeah, use that particular card on the screen to watch that particular video. So until our next video, peace out.